Alright guys, as you can see right now I'm taking my braids out. Yeah, I'm not really halfway there. My hair looks so dirty, I'm sorry for like that, but I'm not gonna show you guys my face because I look ugly right now, but it's what I'm doing at the moment. So alright guys, so you'll see my hair now as it's shrunk and stuff like that. It's so dirty, it stinks, it's just disgusting right now. Can you guys even see my hair? Nope. So hey guys, here's my hair now. I look so ugly right now, but yeah, it looks disgusting. As you guys can see, it's dirty, super dirty. Like, it stinks. Like, it just really stinks. I keep my braids in for like probably like 4 weeks to a month. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do now is detangle it before my mom touches my hair because I be crying. So oh my god, I got a big ass forehead. Yeah, sorry for my appearance. I look really bad, but let me get a thumbnail. I usually just take water. I usually just take water to detangle, honestly. But I think I'm gonna take this today. Look at this, guys. Like, it's always over here because I put the most glue. Got to be a little bit there because for me it's like hard to like lay the sides down. Of the glue, like my scalp be stinking. It's not dirty, but the front be dirty. That is just disgusting. It looks like throw up. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna show you guys the products I use for my hair. My mom washes my hair all the time and then she braids it, so we're gonna show everything. So yeah. Alright guys, now I gotta pick out my shampoo and conditioner because it's time to do my hair. I didn't eat yet, so I need to. She's gonna have to. Oh, she takes mad long to wash my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Okay, so I'm thinking about using this too. 1 and 2. So this is the coconut oil, Cream of Nature coconut oil, detangling and conditioner, detangling and conditioning shampoo for normal hair, whatever the hell that means. And Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco intensive conditioning treatment. Yeah, we might want to use this. I don't know. This is Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Neutralizing Shampoo with shea, honey, and silk. And then we have the conditioner as well. This looks like it's expensive. That's why I want to use it. So this is my hair before. We're going to wash it. I blow dry my hair. I'll come back to my mom and she does the rest. It's like shrunk right now, but this is the product we're using for our hair. This is the shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, the conditioner, and this is the intensive conditioner from Cream of Nature, and a detangler conditioner from Cream of Nature.
Asheren.
Section so like I can get roots, because girl, I'm gonna turn this up to 2:30. So yeah guys, it's really getting my roots. Girl,
this is her ponytail. Well, people that thought she was bald-headed, this is my baby ponytail, okay? It's all her hair.
This is why I don't do my natural hair no more. Alright guys, I look crazy, but show you guys my ponytail real quick because I'm about to get it braided. So this is the last you're gonna see in my hair. Just want to show you guys what I do and stuff. Oh, this hair is thick. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Alright guys, so I just want to show you my braids real quick. My mom did these yesterday. My head is freaking killing me. Like, it's ridiculous. But here's my braids, guys. And I usually put oil in my... I don't think I have time to do that right now. I'm gonna see. You know, but here how long my braids are. So I got 16 braids in me. So next time will probably be 20. Because it just keep going up and up and up. So the oils I'm gonna put in my hair, because this one's easier to do because it's just like, you know, a tube. So I'm gonna do this one today. It's just Salon Pro Jamaican Black Castor Oil formula. So I have tea tree oil, which is always good for the hair. And it's a hair fertilizer, which is anti-dandruff and hair conditioning cream. And this really works. Like, it's so good. But it's almost gone, so. It really grew a lot from the last time, so. And it's thicker. My mom is calling me, so yeah guys, my mom is calling me, but basically this is just my natural hair. You guys want to see so bad my first natural video. So yeah guys, this is the end of it. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos of me. I gotta go because my mom is rushing me, but I can't get over this ponytail. Like, yes. Bye, pretty.
I don't want you on my page, Blackiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Capiana.